Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am sharing recipe of fresh fruit popsicles. I have used such kind of mold for making popsicles. If you don't have a mold, you can use plastic glass also. I have used fresh fruits, also use frozen fruits. If you like the recipe, then do share and subscribe. It's very easy to make fresh fruit popsicles. So let's get started. So here we have washed and cleaned fruits: orange, grapes, kiwi, strawberry. We'll cut them into small pieces. Also we'll need 1.5 cup of watermelon chunks and few strawberry pieces and 2 to 3 mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of honey and few pieces of orange. In a blending jar, we'll take watermelon, orange, strawberry, 1 teaspoon of honey, as well as 2 to 3 mint leaves. We'll blend them together to form a smooth puree. We can also use other fruits like pineapple, mango. We'll strain the puree through a strainer to remove any seeds. We'll fill up the popsicle mold with pieces of fruits, starting with kiwi pieces, small pieces of grapes, strawberries, small pieces of orange. Then we'll add the fruit puree. We'll fill up the popsicle mold 3/4 with the smoothie or the puree. We'll freeze this popsicle mold for at least 5 to 6 hours or overnight. So I had kept the popsicle mold in the freezer overnight. So in total we got 6 popsicles. After removing from the freezer, dip half of the popsicle mold in warm water for at least 10 seconds. Then the popsicles will come out very easily. Have fresh fruit popsicles with your friends and family. Enjoy! See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.